This is good news for India. A US court has approved the extradition of Tahawwur Rana to India, where he is sought for his involvement in the 2008 Mumbai terror attacks. He is a Canadian businessman of Pakistani descent. Rana was arrested in the US on an extradition request by India for his role in the Mumbai terror attacks, in which 10 Pakistani terrorists laid a more than 60-hour siege, attacking and killing over 160 people, including 6 Americans, at iconic and vital locations of Mumbai. The US court consented to the Indian request through the US government for his extradition. The court has reviewed and considered all of the documents submitted in support of and in opposition to the request, and has considered the arguments presented at the hearing. US Magistrate Judge of the US District Court of California, Judge Jacqueline Chooljian, said in a 48-page court order dated May 16th, which was released on Wednesday. Based on such review and consideration, and for the reasons discussed herein, the court makes the findings set forth below and certifies to the Secretary of State of the United States the extraditability of Rana on the charged offenses that are the subject of the request. The judge wrote in the order, Tahawwur Rana has been accused by the Indian government of participating in the planning and execution of the Lakshar terrorist attacks in Mumbai by collaborating with his childhood buddy David Coleman Headley, also known as Dawood Gilani, and others. According to the judge, India has accused Rana of the several offenses and issued an arrest warrant on which now the US is also proceeding. The offenses are conspiracy to wage war, to commit murder, to commit forgery for the purpose of cheating, to use as genuine a forged document or electronic record, and to commit a terrorist act, waging war, murder, committing a terrorist act, and conspiracy to commit a terrorist act. Rana was convicted in Chicago in 2011 of providing material support to the Pakistan-based terror group Lashkar-e-Taiba, which planned the Mumbai terror attack, and for supporting a never-carried-out plot to attack a Danish newspaper that printed cartoons of the Prophet Muhammad in 2005. Rana was accused of allowing David Coleman Headley to open a branch of his Chicago-based immigration law business in Mumbai as a cover story and travel as a representative of the company in Denmark. On the other hand, the extradition was contested by Rana's lawyer. India and the United States have an extradition agreement in effect. The judge determined that Tahawwur Rana's extradition takes place under the treaty's jurisdiction. The judge ruled that there is sufficient competent evidence to establish reasonable cause that Rana is a person accused in India. The court concluded that Rana is extraditable for the offenses for which extradition has been requested and on which the United States is proceeding. Mumbai had come to a standstill on November 26, 2008, when 10 Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists who entered the city via sea route from Pakistan carried out a series of coordinated shootings and bombings that injured over 300 and claimed the lives of 166 people in India's financial capital. The attacks took place at Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus railway station, Kama Hospital, Nariman House business and residential complex, Leopold Cafe, Taj Hotel and Tower, and Oberoi Trident Hotel. Meanwhile, senior advocate Ujjwal Nikam, the special public prosecutor in the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks case, has said that the US court's approval for the extradition of Tahawwur Rana to India is a great victory for the country. According to Nikam, this is the first time that the US government has relied upon evidence by the Indian investigating agencies. The lawyer termed the Tahawwur Rana extradition order a major breakthrough. He said that the order will help India in many ways for opening the gate of the criminal conspiracy.